Welcome to this guide on how to master keyboard shortcuts like a pro. Today, I'm going to show you how simple shortcuts can save you time and boost your productivity. Let's start with two of the most essential shortcuts, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. These are probably the most popular keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+C is for copying text, files, or images, and Ctrl+V is for pasting what you've copied. Using these two together allows you to move or duplicate content quickly without having to go through menus. Let me demonstrate how these shortcuts work. Here I have some text in Microsoft Word, and instead of using the mouse to select and navigate through menus, I'll use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Now that we've covered the basics of Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, let's move on to a more advanced shortcut that can save you even more time when working with data or text. We're going to learn how to use Ctrl Shift Arrow to quickly select large areas of content, such as tables, in a document. Ctrl Shift Arrow is a powerful shortcut that allows you to quickly select large sections of text, data, or even an entire table with just a few keystrokes. Instead of clicking and dragging your mouse to highlight content, this shortcut lets you select everything in one direction, whether it's rows, columns, or paragraphs. Let's see how it works. Here, I have a table in Microsoft Word, or Excel. And instead of manually selecting each cell or row with the mouse, I'll use Ctrl Shift down arrow to select the entire column, or Ctrl Shift right arrow to select the entire row. As you can see, using Ctrl Shift arrow is a much faster way to select large sections of data or text. Whether you're working with a table in Word or a spreadsheet in Excel, this shortcut saves you the hassle of manually highlighting content and allows you to focus on getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Pro tip: you can combine this shortcut with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V for even more speed. After selecting a section, simply copy and paste it into a new location, and you're good to go. Now, let's look at one of the most essential shortcuts, Ctrl+F, a super useful shortcut for quickly finding words or phrases in any document, web page, or file. How to use: first, press Ctrl+F in any document, web page, or file. Secondly, a search bar will appear, usually at the top or side of the screen. Then, type in the word or phrase you want to locate. Lastly, the document or web page will highlight every instance of your search query. Why it's useful: quickly navigate through long documents or web pages to find what you need without manually scrolling. Works in most apps, including Word, PDF readers, and browsers. Finally, we have Ctrl+S purpose. Instantly save your work. How to use: 1. While working in any program, Word, Excel, etc., press Ctrl+S. 2. If you're saving for the first time, you'll be prompted to name the file and choose a save location. 3. For subsequent saves, pressing Ctrl+S will automatically update the document. Why it's useful: regularly saving your work prevents data loss, especially after significant changes. It's faster and easier than navigating to the menu to click Save. There are many shortcuts out there, but these specific ones will help you save time and boost your productivity. They're simple to use and can be applied in your daily life, whether you're working from home, in the office, or just handling personal tasks. By mastering these shortcuts, you'll streamline your workflow and make everyday tasks much easier.